How many times I done told this boy to do this yard? It's been about 3 days now, and the yard still got the bugs coming in it. I'm gonna beat his ass when I see him. Trust me. Eric! Eric!
Many men wish death upon me. Blood in my dog and I can't.